sitting out here and soldering. The trick is to not get the stainless too hot. I like the acetylene torch. It's a little easier. Or it takes less time. It takes more heat for stainless. Come on, baby. There we go. Yeah. I'll have to clean that up. This thing's already fluxed. Keep the heat always down here on my copper. I'm heating the stainless through the copper, and don't put the heat on the stainless. Do that one time and see what happens. Yeah, the stainless get a little discolored with this high heat, but man, the braze joint off this high silver solder is just beautiful, and it's strong, super strong. I use it on copper to copper to stainless, especially on like the Mr. Fusion pot still head where I'm seaming, or a reducer. I did a 4x2 reducer for Alan Bishop, and it's seamed. It's just a butt joint, but this is it makes a really strong joint. Let that flux just start to go clear. Watch the color of your metal. I'm no pro at this by no means. But, you know, if I can help somebody out. Come on, there we go. Pull that solder down in that joint good. Beautiful. That's how the first one should have been. Oh yeah, that's gonna be alright. Grab a hot solder, Wayne. Dumbass. Should try to do this a little bit more. There we go. My copper ferrule's going inside this, or my stainless ferrule's going inside this copper about 5/8 of an inch. I've got a shoulder on it so it can't go any deeper. Keeps everything true and straight. Oops. A little cleanup spot. My buddy Rick Gibson told me, he said you get really good at soldering. He said, because cleanup sucks. And he's right. Cleanup does suck. Looking forward to spending a little time with Rick Gibson this summer. Hillbilly Jam, Moonshine Jam. It'll be a good time. Looking forward to meeting a lot of people. People I've met through the internet on different forums and social media network. It's been a real help for the business too. Alright, here we go. All done. Thanks for watching.